привет, всем друзья, and I'm going another city is my parent house. See what is worth, and I'm just chill out because I'm going to my old car, and yeah, let's go. Let's see inside of my bag. They have some my watches and some stuff there. And yes, I bought some brownie crispy on Amazon Cafe and some Thai tree. If you come to Thailand, you should try it, okay? And yeah, I just see the traffic jam. I love how light is this because we have a short light and let's travel around the world. Yeah, and yes, I'm just chill out again. Yeah, let's go. This is my favorite thing is green, so let's see and let's go to my grandparents' house. I really love to go home because there is countryside and I love how life of they so chill and just simple like I love it. And night view and nature, I love it. It's mountain, it's face and all. I love it so much. See you inside of there. Bye bye.